How's it going, everybody? It is Jason with RealTourVision.com. I've got a virtual tour software update for everybody today. It is September 1st. Wow, what happened to summer? It's leaving fast, you guys, and I am happy to say, though, that the programmers over here at RTV have been very busy working on a massive deliverable that we are going to drop on you guys before the year is over. My goal is to have scheduling and payment collection out by December 1st with a lot of other goodies in there. And we didn't forget about dropping some things in August. I've got some updates. Let's get started. I think there's some things in here that a lot of you are gonna love. I've got multi-agent channel support for YouTube for your social media videos. You wanna go rip a video, you can now rip right to your agent's account or to the broker's account. And there's some other goodies, so let's get started. This is some good stuff. All right, I'm gonna dive right into what I just mentioned. You guys have been asking for this for a really long time, and it's super exciting. It is multi-channel support for YouTube. So when you log into your tour management system up here, by the way, you guys, we are days away from this getting a massive overhaul in preparation of the big update, scheduling and payment collection that's coming before the year is out. You guys are gonna see this a massive changes back here. So please bear with us as we get ready to operate on a project level basis. A lot of stuff is going to change around, but we promise that it's going to be a lot easier for you guys. When you go into your settings, you're going to love it. You click YouTube, and all you have to do is click this little button right here and click save, and you will be able to post to your client's direct YouTube channel or the broker's YouTube channel. How do you set those up? Well, you need your clients to log into your private labeled login and log into their profile. So we'll just pick, let's do Nicole Hewlett here and pretend that she logged into her account. Under settings, Nicole would click on YouTube, and she would essentially just authorize her YouTube channel, just like you guys do when you authorize yours. Now, whenever you do a tour for Nicole, it's gonna go to her channel. So very cool stuff there. Enabling you to post directly to your client's channel. You'll hit save changes, or you will rather have Nicole hit save changes, and then Nicole's just authorized us to post directly to her channel. So multi-channel support there. I know a lot of you have been asking for that, so enjoy. While we're talking about YouTube, we have made several changes to the video ripper. Let me log out of Nicole's site and go back over here. I'm gonna pick just any one of these. When you go into your tour management system and you go to make a social media video, or maybe you just rip the whole thing, right here is rip to video. So you can rip your stills, your panoramas, and your video clips directly to a social media video. What I do at Blue Lava Media, if I make a social media video, I go to bulk edit, and I go to all scenes, and I turn rip, I hit next, and then I turn rip to video off here, and then I hit apply, and then I'll pick my favorite 9 scenes, and that tends to make about a 1-minute social media video. What we've done is we've actually made it so that there's some really nice fading out on the fading of the audio and the video. So when you create when you rip a YouTube video or make a social media video now using Fusion, it does have really nice video and audio fade support. So check that out. That is under your video promotion section right here. And so you would hit compile if you're going to make a social media video. I know I turn off the intro title, closing title. I leave the video overlay on. I turn off the home title scene, and then I turn off all my information, and I give that video to the agent. So it's 100% white label social media video. Then you hit update, and then your video is ready to watch. You don't post those. I don't post my social media videos to YouTube, but if you were making a video of the entire thing, you would click that as well and then hit the compile. So some cool stuff there. Next update, we have made enhanced updates to the SEO on property websites and gallery pages. So some really cool stuff at work here. And if you guys, I'll give you a couple of tips. If you guys are not linking out to your gallery, and now this is your gallery, you can get to your gallery from Fusion. So if you go in and you click on your settings, your gallery is right under profile. Here's your gallery right here, okay? It's at the bottom, and you should link to your gallery. So this is my gallery. I'm linking to this gallery right off of Blue Lava Media, which is my local virtual tour and real estate photography business. So when you click that, it goes to tours.bluelavamedia.com. What that does is it allows the spider, the robots, the search engine robots, to index all of these. It gives them a starting point. And I also, those of you that know, I also have an auto blog that blogs every one of our productions that we create here in town. So the whole goal is to essentially have these rank in the search engine. So when you Google, let me see here, when was this posted? Friday. Let's start from Friday, August 28th. When you Google these addresses, you want them to come up. So this one actually has top placement. So I am ahead of Zillow, actually, which is unbelievable. So this is one we did for Megan, and it is ranking in the search engines. And you should be able to go right down the list, and most of these should pop in the search engines, somewhere close to the top, ideally. Yep. So this one's like the fourth one down, but that is really good. That's what you want to see. If you're not ranking, if your property websites aren't ranking in the search engine, you guys, give me a call. I will do my best to help you. Okay. So the next up on the list, we've made some enhancements to our brush and build service, and that is here. All right, so next up on the list, we have put the brush and build service on the right-hand navigation of your tour manager. So it is under additional services. Those of you that don't know about brush and build, this allows you to literally go and take pictures and panoramas, and we will do the photo editing and the stitching for you. You get the same quality that we are displaying at Blue Lava Media, guaranteed blue sky, green grass, gorgeous looking still photos, and gorgeous looking, we pull the window shots, we dub in the blue skies. You can see all this, we give you blue sky, green grass that really comes into play in the winter months when everything is looking bleak and not so good. So what we do at Brush and Build is we will edit your photos, put in blue sky, green grass, window pulls. We'll build your tour or your property website for you for $1. If you want to know more about that, just click on the Brush and Build and start talking with Jake a little bit. He will help you. Okay, this next update is awesome. I love it when we do innovative thinking and make a better product. And this is really seriously one of those sweet updates that the guys made that I love it, because the playback, it makes the playback so much better. So I'm going to pull up a property website right now. Notice the hero immediately starts streaming. This is the Google Earth, which, as you know, is a video. Now watch this. Watch this. Did you see that? Did you see that pause? So we actually, now it resumed. Watch. Boom. It pauses. Hopefully you can see that. It's up at the top of the screen. So what we've done now is we've paused streaming so that we are allowing more resources for both your computer and bandwidth for things that are lower on the page, so that that's not streaming down up here while the tour is loading, while your Matterport is loading, while your Zillow 3D Home Tour is loading, or while your 4K Vimeo video is loading. So I thought they did a great job of pausing the hero to allow more resources for down here, and it just overall gives such a better playback for, especially if somebody has an older computer. So that is the hero property site hero pause. Enjoy that. And last but not least, this is probably one of my other favorites. I'm all about advertising. You guys know me. You guys know that I am all about harnessing your WOM, securing your word of mouth marketing. If you're not putting your name out there first, your brand, you are losing your WOM. Every product that you put out there, your still photos, your videos, your property websites, your tours, all have to have your name on them, your logo on them. If you're not doing that, you're missing out. You're letting business slip by. You're busy enough as it is. You need to take advantage of each production and let the production that you have created sell for you. And that's harnessing your WOM. Let's take a look. All right. So look at this tour here. I'll pull up, let's see here. All right, let me pull up this property website. So this property website comes up. You can see our affiliate down here, lower left corner, advertising. I've got the Blue Lava Media name up here. The hero is scrolling. They scroll down on the property website. Nice, elegant look and feel on the logo down here. That is a clickable button, by the way, that's going to go over to my website and act as a nice little lead generator. We get about 30, 40 visitors a month come to this page. We get a lot of leads off of this page. A lot of new customers come directly from our existing productions. I would say the majority of them. Now, here's one. We've got our virtual tour embedded, our 3D home tour. Notice what you don't see anymore. The double affiliate. So this used to be also right here. Remember that? And it was, I could go as far to say it was a little over advertising. So anyway, we've now gotten rid of the affiliate if it's on your tour and your tour is embedded. So you will no longer see two affiliates, especially so if it was a smaller screen and it was cramped, these two affiliates would kind of come together. So we've removed the double affiliate. You guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're here to help. We're here to help you grow. We want you to dominate your market. And most importantly, we want you to have fun doing it. Remember, if you love what you do, it's not a job. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.